is Health Day. All-hearted thanks to all doctors, nurses and health workers. Thank you. Exercise daily to stay healthy and fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iman Wasil from class 2C. Today I am going to talk about healthy habits. Start your day with healthy breakfast, drink a lot of water, eat healthy and nourishing food, do physical activities, play outdoor games, limiting screen time, keep yourself clean and germ free, get proper sleep.